Kenneth Gomez trying 16 kg, 2 minutes long cycle. Hold on, almost there. 5, 4, 3. One at the top. 1. Good, Kenneth. Why you take your time? Relax, huh? Be graceful. That's it. See how he's dropping. He's not leaning back, but he's dropping it. His flexibility is not showing it, but he's dropping it. How many to go? You can see that, huh? Okay, guys, that's what we're looking at. Take your time. Very relaxed here. He's not leaning back because, like I say, it's not flexible because of his this, huh? As long as his center of gravity is different from mine because he got this load here. Well, it's true. It's because of that he's not leaning back so much. This drop is based on your CG. Everybody's flexibility CG is different. If your weight distribution is here, then your drop will be less. If mine, because I have to counter the weight, you see. Last 10 seconds. One more rep. Just do one more rep. 12. Well done. Kenneth Gomez, age 52, 2 times 16 kg, competing 6 September.